Hi, my name is Anita. I'm from Coast of Maine Organic Soils. And today we're going to talk about this wonderful plant called Lemon Verbena. This is what it will look like in the spring when you buy it at a garden center. By this time in September, it will be the size of this table. So you're thinking to yourself, what am I going to do with all this beautiful lemon verbena? It's very fragrant, tasty. I'm sure you've been using it all summer long. Here's a great way to preserve the flavor. I take my lemon verbena leaves and I stuff them in a jar. Any ball jar will do. Just, your plant will be huge, the leaves will be big. Fill your ball jar with leaves. Then again, it's a simple syrup, 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar till the sugar's melted. Pack the leaves, pour this in about halfway. Top it off with some vodka and a sprig of lemon, a little lemon zest, and then you store this in a cool, dry place for a few months. I like to shake it every once in a while just to help, infuse it with more lemon verbena flavoring. Our colleague Sue has been making this for years. So here's her Lemon Verbena Liqueur from last year. This is amazing. You can bottle it, make it as gifts. This turns into this in 3 months. You can give it for Christmas. Thanks.